Hello and welcome. You're watching Royal Ranthambore presents BT Golf. I'm Sakshi, Batra, and with me is somebody very special. Mr. Rajesh Soni joins in. He's the Executive Vice President of Bandhan Mutual Funds. Warm welcome to you, sir, and thank you so much for joining in. And of course, it's a beautiful green course that we are at right now, Panchkula Golf Club. How has the golf game looking like on the event today?
Yeah, actually, I think in golf we say that it tests the patience and precision of the players, and I think we can actually correlate golf with our financial segment also. So in investing also, investors need to have patience to their money grow. I think this is the big thing which correlates between golf and the financial segment.
That's wonderful to know. Of course, like you said, that you belong to the investment sector, the mutual fund sector. Now, whether the stock markets are extremely volatile, the one thing which is constant and growing is the SIPs. If you look at it, month on month, we are again looking at record flows coming in from the SIP flows, which actually comes in from our large part of retail investors at large, which despite all the lack of support from FIIs, have managed to pull up the markets thus far. What's your own sense of how the industry is shaping up?
Yeah, actually, you see, I think the SIP book has now reached to 26,000 crore a month, which is a big thing. So now people are more aware of the investment in mutual fund through systematic investment plan, and retail investors have been the backbone of the industry. Even now, the portion of domestic institutional investors have increased in the market. So I think between last year and today, the industry has grown by 10 lakh crore. Last year it was 50 lakh crore. Now it is standing at 60 lakh crore, and this is just a beginning. So we can easily see 200 lakh, 300 lakh crore of industry in the time to come.
Wow, that's wonderful. The industry is set to grow many times from this far as well. Let's also get an understanding of, the new year which has started. What kind of trends are you expecting in the mutual funds industry? Equity versus debt? Any key categories that you're expecting that investors will focus more on?
Yeah, actually, as you have seen that last 3-4 months have been very volatile for the markets, but this is the part and parcel of equities. It will go as it is only, but in the long run, the way our macros are stable, our economy is stable, and markets are bound to grow. So this is part and parcel of the markets. I think customers should focus at asset allocation. They should divide their money in equity and debt, basis their investment goals. So this is the trend, and as far as our AMC view is concerned, I think we should not ignore mid and small cap segment in our portfolio allocation, which is very important, because the only thing which is important is to find good businesses, and if we are able to find good businesses for our portfolio and the companies are growing at a better rate, I think it will definitely add to the valuation of the portfolios.
That's wonderful. The upcoming trigger for the markets will also be the union budget. That's the next big thing we are all looking at. What is the key expectation there?
Yeah, first of all, this year government doesn't have any compulsion for the budget. They can take their own view. But I believe most of the people are expecting, and there are rumors in the market that they can increase the income tax limits, tax-free limits for the customers. Also, I think government's focus will be more on the capital expenditure, so that it should be able to create more jobs in the economy.
Okay, wonderful. And, we've been at the golf course, and I wanted to ask you, we've been associated for so long. Tell us, how have you started to pick up the game as well for yourself?
Yeah, actually, I really like this game a lot, but unfortunately, I have not been able to pursue it much. But definitely, I'll join this game as soon as possible.
Okay, would you want to say anything about the association you've had with BT Golf thus far?
Definitely, I think this is the second time we have associated with the BT golf tournament, and it is going fairly well, and I'm sure that we'll again come with you, and we'll definitely want to partner next time also with Business Today Group.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us on Business Today. Hope you have a great time, and next time I hope that I see you playing right there too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks.
All right, viewers, we'll continue to get you such fascinating insights from the BT golf course here at Panchkula, so stay tuned.